Hi friends, welcome to channel. You're watching Darun Mode YouTube channel. I am Darun. Today we are going to install Ramam multi-school management system on my localhost without any purchase code. So this is the script on CodeKeyan. The script name is Ramam multi-school management system, and the script price in regular license almost $48. So we are going to install this script on my localhost, and also the script support multi-domain, so we can use this script on any domain, so there is no need any purchase code, and also it support any kind of server. So that means we are using extended license version, so but we no need to enter any purchase code. So okay, then the extended license price in CodeKeyan around $525 in Indian rupees. That means 38,000 in Indian currency. So this is the script on my localhost. I already null the script, so that means I already remove the purchase code function in this script. So we can use this script without any purchase code. That means you can enter any random text on that purchase code field. So now I'm going to install the script on my localhost. So let's start the installation. First you need to buy the script from me. So if you want the script, just contact me on WhatsApp, or otherwise just contact me on Fiverr. You can directly order the script in Fiverr, or just contact me in script installation support. So now I'm going to install. Okay, so let's install. So this is the purchase code field. I already entered the random text. I already put my channel name Darun Modes. So I'm using innovator username also Darun Modes, and purchase code also Darun Modes. So this random text reflected on your system update. So I show that after installation done. So now I'm going to click the next button. So click the next step, and you can see the database configuration. That means the script working without purchase code. So I am using the database. So I am using the same name like Ramam. So and also username also Ramam, and password is 123. Then set up the database, and it's asking to set up the school name and username something. So we fill the information. So school name is also Darun Modes, and username is Darun. The login mail ID is d3@d3. So I'm using a dummy email and dummy password. So and you can select whatever time zone you want. So I'm leave this in default. So now I'm going to click the installation button. Once we click the installation button, the script will be automatically migrate the database from the script, and then we can easily log in with the script on our admin details. Okay, so now I'm going to click the installation button. So now the script is also installed on my localhost. Now I'm going to click localhost and authentication in home page, like it's only asking authentication. So okay, so first we need to log in this script. So I'm using the email for the user ID. So the script is working with email ID as a username. So and enter the password. So now I'm click the login button. Now the script is working good, and there is no error or any issues in the script. Now I'm going to check the settings and system update. So you can see the purchase code and some other information in this software update field. So the software version is 4.4, and the current version also 4.4. 4.0. So the current version is 4.00, and the official current version also 4.00, because I am using the latest version in the script. So this script is only latest version, and you can see the purchase code on the purchase code field. It's only showing Darun Modes because I am entering the random text, but I am using my own YouTube channel name like Darun Modes, so that's why it's showing Darun Modes. So then there is some script information like a PHP version and extensions. Okay, so we can test some changes in the script, like theme changing or color changing. Like I'm going to click the theme settings and going to choose darker one and click the save button. Now it's changed the color, so that means the script is working fine. Okay, so if you need this script, just contact me on WhatsApp or Fiverr. In Fiverr you can directly order the script on Fiverr. Okay, so I already post that post on Fiverr, so just click the link and you can view the installation support, then place the order and buy the script from Fiverr. If you need some offer for the script, just directly contact my WhatsApp, so you can get some offers for this script. Okay, like compared to the Fiverr. So thank you for watching this video.